Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today's tutorial is a giveaway tutorial. And all of this is possible because Crystal graciously donated all of that dye to me, to the channel, so that way I'm able to share it with you guys. And to enter into this giveaway, it's super duper easy. So Crystal brought to my attention a channel that is new to me. Many of you might already know about it, but it is Brad's Boredom Busters. Brad with 2 D's. That is so fun. And Brad happens to be a neighbor. He's out in Hillsboro. I hope that it's okay that I said that, which is like a hop, skip, and a jump. It's probably an hour or so away from me. So that's just totally super duper cool. I always want to pay it forward. So I've hit the landmark of 20,000 subscribers, which I couldn't do without all of you guys that have clicked subscribe. You watch all the tutorials and you make it possible. So it's just a wonderful opportunity to give back. And so Brad has a channel, and it's a growing channel, and he's a crafty guy. So he makes tie-dye and he does other arts and crafts. He can sew. Most recently I watched him make a bowl. Just like a handy, cool guy, and he shares some of his travels. So all I'm asking that you do is that you please go over to his channel and you click subscribe. He's going to have an unboxing tutorial, just like what we did with Goyo's Garden and Tie-Dye Greg. We're doing the same thing with Brad. So you find his unboxing tutorial, make sure that you click subscribe, turn your bell to all. Now that way you don't miss any of his uploads, and it just helps his channel grow. So subscribe, click the bell, set it to all, and then go into your device settings and turn on YouTube, because that goes for my channel and everybody else's channel. When you turn your bell to on, then it will send you a notification when there's a new upload. Okay, so that is one entry. And then make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that your bell is turned on to all, and make sure you leave a comment on this tutorial. That's going to be a second entry. And then for a third entry, I'm going to upload to my Instagram, which is also BelladonnaDyesCo. Please follow me over there and leave a comment there. So there is going to be 3 chances to win dye. I need to grow my Instagram up to 10,000 followers. That way I'm able to do more things over there. Right now I'm stuck at a holding pattern. I can't do any live videos. I can't do anything over there until I hit that 10,000 mark. And that's going to take a long time to get there, but for all of you, that if you can, just go over there. And like I said, it's another entry. It helps me out, and maybe you'll win some dye. The giveaway is open from the 3rd to the 9th of September 2022. So one last time, head over to Brad's channel, Brad's Boredom Busters, click subscribe, leave a comment on his unboxing tutorial, double check to make sure you're subscribed here, and leave a comment on this tutorial. And then when you're done in YouTube, head over to my Instagram, find the dye reel, make sure that you click follow and leave a comment there, and then check back a couple days after the 9th and I will have a follow-up tutorial announcing the winners. Thanks again, Crystal. I really appreciate it. Couldn't do it without you. And good luck, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.